Hello everyone, my name is Mia. I'm 10 years old. I study English at Bridge English Ilan. Today, I'm going to talk about nation. Where are you from? I'm from Australia. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Where are you from? I'm from China. Where are you from? I'm from France. Where are you from? I'm from Indonesia. Where are you from? I'm from South Korea. Where are you from? I'm from Italy. Where are you from? I'm from Japan. Where are you from? I'm from Egypt. Where are you from? I'm from the United States of America. Where is he from? He's from Australia. Where is he from? He's from Canada. Where is he from? He's from China. Where is he from? He's from France. Where is he from? He's from Indonesia. Where is he from? He's from South Korea. Where is she from? She's from Italy. Where is she from? She's from Japan. Where is she from? She's from Egypt. Where is she from? She's from the United States of America. Thank you for listening and goodbye.